2011 Mercedes Sprinter. If you guys can see the dirt buildup, and this is from this car, and the customer claims that he gets the oil change done every 10,000 miles. He says he has only 8,000 miles on this oil change. I have the oil filter on the floor. If you can see, lots of buildup in the filter. By the way, I push these sport aside so I can spread the filter apart, and it would be more visible. And also, if you look at the oil cap, I wiped the oil that was dripping from the seal from the oil cap, and same amount of buildup around here, as you can see on my gloves. It's well, either shop he's going, they're telling him that they're doing the oil change, they're charging him, or I'm not sure. And here's the some of the oil from the so it's so shiny, I can see myself. I'm gonna get some oil out. This is not a diesel engine, it's gasoline. The oil is diluted, and I have more stuff. I just want you to see the air filter, and as you can see, this is the air filter, condition of the air filter. At least it looks like it's been there for a long time, and not only it has leaves, it has sand inside, and so does this side. As you can see, filter is dirty and clogged, lots of performance issues. So here's the both filters, and here's the car. It's got 165,000 miles, and it has performance issues such as low compression. So we're doing it inexpensive way of see what happens. Change your oil as often as you can. Don't follow the manufacturer recommendations. Check your oil yourself.